So I am moving around one of the succulents in the cactus um, in my cactus pot um, in my office, and getting those live updates on video fed into Simmetri. Um, and doing that through an app on my iPhone called Just Wi-Fi Cam. It's a free app using NDI's NewTek's NDI technology, and NewTek has some apps that are not free. They're super good pro style, but if you want to test this out and then kind of figure out, do a little research um, on how you want to use this, I recommend their apps. And so the way that this works, I'll show you, is super simple. With the Just Wi-Fi, if I have my iPhone connected to the same Wi-Fi router as the same network, not even using a hotspot, I'm connected by the same router to my computer. NDI is smart, and it'll communicate. So I load the app, and I basically just press the record button on my iPhone, and I point it at something or move it around. Um, and and then in Simmetri, I'll even start this from new. Save changes, no. If I go to right click and I go in the browser in the library here, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to come down to textures. I'm going to go to new input 2D texture. And since I am actually feeding, it'll actually pull this in, the first thing it sees. If I had other spout textures flowing in from, say, Resolume or something like that, I would then need to go set this. And you would set it by selecting or actually don't even have to select it. You just know what your name is. I might call this might be the texture I want to call phone cam. And then then when I go up to edit and I go to preferences, come down to this tab, make sure I'm on inputs, and look at input textures, you'll see that the phone cam texture, this one refers to this, that phone cam texture, I can set its binding to anything in this thing. I guess my phone is named Bear. And you see Just Wi-Fi Cam, that's the app, and it's using NewTek NDI trademark. And that is this texture. So now if I bring in some entity, like this box, I can actually just drag the texture straight onto it, and it'll create a material from that. And there's occasionally some lags, but it sometimes works really well. I'm not sure if there's a ton of Wi-Fi traffic on my network. If there is, what I recommend doing is create a hotspot on your phone, so that let me restart the stream. Yeah. Sorry, there was something in the app blocking the updates. That's me moving the plant around. I recommend, is if you're experiencing lags, you may want a dedicated router. I think I actually even have some uploads and downloads taking place as we speak. And so I recommend experimenting with it and enjoy.